In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Notion workspace name. If you've ever wanted your workspace to better reflect your team, project, or personal brand, this is a quick update that keeps everything organized and easy to find. We'll walk through where the setting lives, what to watch out for, and a few tips to make your new name clear and consistent. First, open Notion and look to the left sidebar. There, you'll see the Settings option. On desktop and in the browser, it's typically labeled Settings and Members with a small gear icon. Go ahead and click that. This opens the control center for your account and workspace, and it's where you manage things like members, billing, and of course, your workspace name. Inside the Settings window, navigate to the Workspace section, then head to the General area for that workspace. This is the page that contains your core workspace details. If you're part of multiple workspaces, double-check the workspace name shown at the top of the Settings panel so you're editing the correct one. It's a small detail, but it saves confusion if you juggle several teams or projects. Now, look for the field labeled Workspace Name. Click into that field to edit it. Type your new name exactly as you want it to appear across Notion. A helpful approach is to keep it short, specific, and recognizable. For example, include the company or project name and, if relevant, a descriptor like design, marketing, or HQ. Avoid special characters that might look cluttered, and make sure capitalization is consistent with how your team names other workspaces or docs. Once you've entered the new name, click Update to save your changes. In most cases, Notion applies the new name immediately. You'll see it reflected in the sidebar and anywhere the workspace name appears. If other members are in the workspace, the change will show up for them too. If you don't see the Update button, it may autosave, but give it a second and confirm the name sticks before closing the settings. A couple of quick reminders. You may need the right permissions to change the workspace name, so if you don't see the field or it's grayed out, check with a workspace admin. Also, if you use Notion on multiple devices, the new name will sync across them automatically. And that's it. You clicked Settings on the left sidebar, went to the Workspace tab's General Settings, edited the workspace name, and hit Update. Simple, clear, and done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly named workspace.